Hey Roxy, you in my lap? Yeah? You're looking at the camera. You're like, what the hell's going on? I can zoom in. Wow, look how pretty your face is, huh? Show everyone your face is pretty. You yawning? Hey Roxy, you want to stick your tongue out for everyone? Stick your tongue out. Roxy. Roxy. There you go. Roxy. Stick it out to the camera. Come on. We all know you can do it. You stick it out at everyone else you see. Why should the camera be different? Roxy. Roxy. Maybe if I take the light out. There you go. Stick it out. There you go. And you got a yawn. Big yawn. This is for everyone to see the size of how big she is. She's really not that big. It's a little stuffed animal that she's on. Say hi, Roxy. Chirping away. You sound like a bird. It's okay, you're cute. Want to stick out your tongue again? One more time for the camera. One more time. There you go. There you go. Come on, stick that tongue out. We want to see it. We'll get this down packed pretty soon. Give me a few weeks. Roxy. One more good one so I can end this video and we can make another one. Roxy. Alright, we're going to end it here. Say bye, Roxy. Roxy, say bye.